This carbonara blew me away. It was so good. I think the secret is whatever you use for the meat, the vegan meat, use this deglaze to flavor it up. It'll taste so much closer to pancetta and it'll give you that rich depth of flavor that you're looking for. So with pasta dishes, timing is everything. You got to get that pasta ready al dente right before you mix it with the sauce. And there's a couple places where you can pause the recipe and let it sit. One is right after you've sauteed the veggies, and another time is right after you've mixed in the Alfredo. You can turn it off right now and just let it sit until the pasta's ready. Once you mix that pasta with all that sauce, serve it immediately with your favorite toppings. I use red pepper, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of vegan parm. Stay tuned for those ingredients and that recipe right at the end here.